Sky here with Sunshine Scents. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make my Purple Haze cold processed soap bars. These are scented with lavender field fragrance oil from Nature's Garden, and I of course soak my fragrance oil in kaolin clay before I add it to my soap base. In my opinion, kaolin clay makes the scent last way longer. These soap bars are very beginner friendly and don't require a lot of skill. I added dried lavender flowers to the top of mine to enhance the scent, and I used the drop swirl technique to achieve the swirls. I only used two colors, titanium dioxide and I Dream of Purple from Mad Micas. A lot of floral scents accelerate very quickly, but this one actually wasn't bad to work with, and that was with me using a 10% water discount and soaping at room temp. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the video, and don't forget to check the description box for the full ingredient list. Also, if you like what you see, be sure to visit my website at www.sunshinescents.com.